So what we have here, well, what is it? This is a beautiful combination in my opinion. And what are we talking about? Well, we're talking about the Sony a7 III combined with the Sony 16-35mm lens, 2.8 GM, and this is a Sony a7 III. Now, this is a mirrorless full frame of 24.2 megapixel, which is created to offer perfect balance between image quality, speed, and performances, which is absolutely amazing. As we see here, we have the lens, which is one of the best in the business without a doubt. And what is it, or who is it for better? Like, well, in terms of professionalism, this is absolutely great. One of the most professional camera setups that I have used. And would I recommend it? Absolutely, yes. It is perfect with this lens and the camera body for, landscapes, portraits, close-up portraits. And one thing also that I do want to mention is that we do have the double SD slots right here on the side that you are able to go and see, which is absolutely great, as well as all the other connectivity options if you need over here on the left side. Let me go and see if I'm able to go and show you without my face on it. Yeah, all the connectivity are there. The screen as well, it's a rotating screen, not a 100 fully rotating screen as we see here. It is just as such, which you can go up and down for the videos. Now, let me try and get you onto the action here with the camera. And as we are able to go and see, here we go, for example, and it is absolutely great. The lens, as we said, perfect for landscapes, yes. Interior architecture, possibly, yes. In terms of the portrait, it's probably a little bit not great. In terms of the body camera, yes. In terms of the lens, probably not great. I would probably aim for an 85mm or a 45mm, but overall, it works amazing. It is great quality, speed, reliability, 5-axis in-body stabilizing as well. So would I recommend it? Absolutely, yes. It is one of my favorites.